Prediction for the price of Bitcoin as it gets closer to the $31,000 resistance level. Can it soar higher? Investors and traders alike are eagerly anticipating Bitcoin's BTC next move as it quickly approaches the crucial $31,000 barrier zone. The top cryptocurrency in the world has proven to be quite resilient, with its value continuing to rise despite numerous market difficulties. Will it be able to soar higher, breaking standards and establishing new benchmarks, or will the obstacle prove to be too great to overcome? We will examine the variables affecting Bitcoin's price trajectory and offer insightful information about its likely future performance in this analysis. Stay tuned to gain a thorough knowledge of the intricate factors at work in this always-changing economy. March saw a decline in U.S. retail sales as the winter shopping frenzy subsided. U.S. retail sales fell by 1% in March, losing the impetus from the previous winter's purchasing frenzy. After a time of increased demand, consumers changed their spending patterns, and the retail industry is currently dealing with the effects of this downturn. The economy and financial markets may be affected more broadly by this decline in consumer spending, which may also have an impact on the market for cryptocurrencies. Recent events have led traders to speculate that the central bank's lending rate will climb by 0.25 percentage point next month. Due to investors' preference for more conventional investments like stocks, Bitcoin's price fell by 1.71% during the last day. The Federal Reserve is expected to raise rates again in May before pausing, bringing them to their highest levels since the world financial crisis of 2007. Investors should exercise care because market uncertainty continues and higher than expected inflation may occur. Fed's May rate increase, a turning point for the bull run in Bitcoin. Market participants are speculating on how the U.S. Federal Reserve's projected interest rate hike in May affect Bitcoin's performance. Some experts think that although a tighter monetary policy frequently results in a higher US dollar and more pressure on risky assets, this rate hike may potentially be the culmination of the tightening cycle. If that turns out to be the case, Bitcoin might gain from the subsequent loosening of monetary policy as investors look for other assets to protect themselves against inflation and currency depreciation. A financial overview of Tesla's Bitcoin investments and positions. Tesla made a $64 million profit in Q2 2022 by selling 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. However, Bitcoin's value has increased by almost 50% since that transaction, suggesting that Tesla might have made an additional $500 million had they postponed the sale. Tesla made its initial $1.5 billion Bitcoin investment in February 2021, and from two different sales, it made a profit of $165 million. Despite this, Tesla is currently showing a loss of $56.6 million on its remaining Bitcoin holdings. The fact that Tesla previously sold Bitcoin at a time when free cash flows were low suggests that Musk used Bitcoin as a financial safety net when times were tight. The impact of this information on the market price of Bitcoin is yet unclear, though. Bitcoin cost. Technically speaking, the BTC-USD pair has a clear upward tendency as it gets closer to the $30,250 level. In the event that this obstacle is overcome, Bitcoin may encounter opposition at $30,600 before advancing to $31,000 or perhaps even $32,250. In contrast, Bitcoin continues to find strong support near the $29,600 level. If this level is broken downward, the bearish trend may continue all the way down to $28,900.